Crypto is not magic money. If you don't understand it, you can lose everything faster than you think. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It exists online, not in banks. It runs on blockchain, a system that records every transaction publicly and securely. People rush into crypto because they see others making money. But what they don't see are the losses, the risks, and the mistakes behind those wins. Bitcoin is the first and most popular cryptocurrency. It was created to give people control over their money without banks or government interference. Blockchain is like a digital notebook. Every transaction is recorded permanently. Nobody can secretly change it, making it one of the most secure systems. Crypto prices can rise quickly, but they can also crash within minutes. This volatility is why many people lose money when they panic or act emotionally. Crypto is not gambling if you understand it. But if you enter blindly, following hype and emotions, you are not investing, you are gambling with your money. People make money in crypto by buying low and selling high, holding long-term, or investing early in strong projects with real-world value. Beginners often buy at the top, sell at the bottom, follow hype, ignore research, and invest money they cannot afford to lose. Start small. Learn before you invest big. In crypto, knowledge is your strongest weapon. Without it, you are simply taking risks you don't understand. A crypto wallet is where you store your digital assets. It doesn't hold money physically, but gives you access to your funds on the blockchain. Your private key is your password to your crypto. If someone gets it, they control your money. Never share it, never screenshot it, protect it always. Crypto exchanges are platforms where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Think of them like online markets where digital assets are traded every second. Spot investing means buying and holding crypto. Trading involves frequent buying and selling. Trading can bring quick profits, but it also comes with higher risks. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies tied to stable assets like the dollar. They don't move wildly like others, making them useful for storing value and reducing risk. Crypto markets move in cycles, bull runs and bear markets. Understanding these patterns helps you avoid buying at the top and selling at the bottom. A bull market is when prices are rising and everyone is making money. This is when excitement is high, but also when many people make costly mistakes. A bear market is when prices fall and fear takes over. This is where real investors are built, because patience becomes more important than excitement. Never invest everything in one coin. Spread your money, set limits, and always prepare for losses. Risk management is what keeps you in the game long term. Your biggest enemy in crypto is not the market, it is your emotions. Fear and greed push people into bad decisions. Control your mind, and you control your results. To buy or sell crypto, you need exchanges. Think of them as digital marketplaces where buyers and sellers meet, similar to stock exchanges but faster and always open. There are centralized exchanges like Binance and decentralized ones like Uniswap. One controls your funds temporarily, the other lets you stay fully in control. Opening a crypto account is simple. You sign up, verify your identity, and secure your account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication for safety. To start investing, you deposit money into your exchange account. This can be through bank transfers or peer-to-peer methods depending on your location. Your first crypto purchase is simple. Select the coin, enter the amount, confirm the trade, and instantly you own a digital asset on the blockchain. A crypto wallet stores your digital assets. Some are online for convenience, while others are offline for better security against hackers and theft. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, easy to use but riskier. Cold wallets are offline devices, safer but less convenient for frequent transactions.
Your private key is your access to crypto. Lose it and you lose your funds forever. Share it and someone else can take everything instantly.
Crypto gives you control, but also responsibility. Without proper security, hackers can drain your funds, and there is no bank to reverse transactions. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection. Even if someone knows your password, they cannot access your account without your verification code. Crypto prices move based on demand and supply. When more people buy, prices rise. When more people sell, prices drop. is driven by market emotions and global activity. Market capitalization shows a coin's total value. It's calculated by multiplying price by supply, helping investors understand how big or small a cryptocurrency really is. Crypto is highly volatile. Prices can rise or fall sharply within minutes. This creates opportunities for profit, but also exposes investors to significant risks. A bull market happens when prices keep rising. Investors feel confident, demand increases, and many people rush in hoping to benefit from the upward momentum. A bear market is when prices consistently fall. Fear spreads, investors sell off assets, and many people panic, often making emotional decisions that lead to losses. Long-term investing means holding crypto for years. Instead of chasing quick profits, you focus on growth over time, ignoring short-term market noise and fluctuations. Short-term trading involves buying and selling quickly to profit from small price changes. It requires skill, discipline, and constant monitoring of market movements. Successful investors control emotions. Fear and greed can lead to poor decisions. Staying calm helps you stick to your strategy and avoid costly mistakes. Diversification means spreading your investments across different assets. This reduces risk because if one asset fails, others may still perform well. Risk management is essential. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose, and always set limits to protect your capital from unexpected market movements. Liquidity refers to how easily you can buy or sell a cryptocurrency without affecting its price. High liquidity means faster trades with minimal price changes. Trading volume shows how much of a cryptocurrency is being traded within a period. High volume often signals strong interest and confirm market trends. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, usually tied to currencies like the US dollar, helping reduce volatility in the crypto market. Utility tokens give access to services within a blockchain ecosystem. They are used for payments, features, or participation within specific crypto platforms. Governance tokens allow holders to vote on decisions within a project. This gives users a voice in how the platform evolves over time. Yield farming involves moving crypto between platforms to maximize returns. It can be profitable, but also carries higher risk compared to simple holding or staking. NFTs are unique digital assets representing ownership of items like art or music. Unlike cryptocurrencies, each NFT is one of a kind and cannot be exchanged equally. Smart contracts are self-executing programs on the blockchain. They automatically carry out agreements when conditions are met, removing the need for intermediaries. Decentralized finance allows you to borrow, lend, and trade without banks. It operates entirely on blockchain technology, giving users more control over their financial activities. Gas fees are small payments made to process transactions on blockchain networks. They compensate miners or validators who confirm and secure transactions on the network. Gas fees change depending on network demand. When many users are making transactions, fees increase. When activity is low, transaction costs become cheaper. Mining is the process of using powerful computers to solve complex problems, validate transactions, and add them to blockchain while earning rewards. Proof of work is a system where miners compete to solve mathematical problems. The first to solve it validates transactions and earns cryptocurrency rewards. Proof of stake selects validators based on how much crypto they hold and lock. It uses less energy than mining and rewards participants for securing the network. Token supply refers to how many coins exist or will ever exist. Limited supply can increase value, while unlimited supply may reduce scarcity over time. Circulating supply is the number of coins currently available, while max supply is the total limit. Understanding both helps evaluate scarcity and potential price growth. Inflationary tokens increase supply over time, while deflationary tokens reduce supply. These mechanisms influence value and long-term price behavior of cryptocurrency. A white paper is a document explaining a crypto project's purpose, technology, and goals. Reading it helps you understand what you are investing in. The roadmap outlines the project's future plans and milestones. It shows where the project is heading and helps investors judge its long-term potential. Liquidity traps occur when interest rates are low, yet spending and investment remain weak. People hoard cash instead of investing, slowing economic recovery and weakening financial system responsiveness. The yield curve shows interest rates across different bond maturities. When inverted, it signals potential recession, making it a critical indicator for investors and policymakers worldwide. A strong dollar affects global trade by making exports expensive and imports cheaper. Emerging markets often feel pressure, impacting investments and cross-border financial flows significantly. The Fiscal deficit occurs when government spending exceeds revenue. It often leads to borrowing, influencing national debt levels and shaping economic stability over time. Sovereign debt becomes risky when countries struggle to repay loans. High debt can weaken currencies, reduce investor confidence, and trigger financial crises across global markets. Inflation hedging protects your wealth from rising prices. Investors often use assets like gold, real estate, and equities to maintain purchasing power during inflationary periods. Quantitative tightening reduces money supply by selling assets or letting them mature. It helps control inflation but may slow economic growth and tighten financial conditions. A currency peg fixes one currency's value to another. It stabilizes exchange rates but requires strong reserves and can limit a country's monetary policy flexibility. A trade deficit happens when imports exceed exports. While it can indicate strong consumer demand, persistent deficits may weaken domestic industries and affect currency stability. Capital flight occurs when investors rapidly move money out of a country due to instability or risk. It can weaken economies and trigger financial crises if not controlled. Cold wallets store cryptocurrency offline, making them highly secure against hacking. They are essential for long-term investors who prioritize safety over quick transaction access. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient but vulnerable to cyber attacks. Traders use them for quick access, but they must manage security carefully. Blockchain nodes are computers that validate and store transactions across the network. They ensure decentralization, transparency, and trust without relying on a central authority. Crypto mining involves solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions. Miners are rewarded with new coins, making it both a technical and energy-intensive process. Staking allows investors to earn passive income by locking their cryptocurrency to support network operations. Rewards are distributed based on the amount and duration of tokens staked. Gas fees are transaction costs paid to process operations on blockchain networks. They vary based on demand and network congestion, affecting the efficiency of crypto transactions. Smart contracts are self-executing programs stored on blockchain. They automatically enforce agreements when conditions are met, removing the need for intermediaries and enhancing efficiency. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets like the dollar. They reduce volatility, making them useful for transactions, savings, and trading within the crypto ecosystem. Crypto markets are highly volatile, with prices changing rapidly. While this creates opportunities for profit, it also exposes investors to significant risks and potential losses. Tokenomics studies how a cryptocurrency is designed, including supply, demand, and incentives. Strong tokenomics can drive adoption, while poor design may lead to failure. Crypto payments allow instant peer-to-peer transactions without banks. Businesses increasingly accept digital currencies, enabling faster, cheaper, and borderless payments across the global economy. Cryptocurrency simplifies remittances by eliminating intermediaries. Funds transfer instantly across borders with lower fees, helping families receive more value compared to traditional money transfer services. Decentralized finance removes traditional banks from financial services. Users can lend, borrow, and trade assets directly through smart contracts, gaining full control over their financial activities. Crypto lending platforms allow users to earn interest by lending assets or borrow against holdings. This creates financial opportunities without relying on traditional banking systems. Yield farming involves providing liquidity to earn rewards in crypto. It can generate high returns but carries risks, including impermanent loss and smart contract vulnerability. Non-fungible tokens represent unique digital assets on blockchain. They prove ownership of art, music, and collectibles, opening new opportunities for creators and collectors worldwide. NFTs extend beyond art into gaming, memberships, and identity verification. They provide ownership and access, transforming how digital assets are used across industries. Crypto gaming allows players to earn real digital assets while playing. These assets can be traded or sold, creating a new economy within the gaming industry. The metaverse integrates crypto for buying virtual land, assets, and experiences. It creates a digital economy where users interact, trade, and build wealth in immersive environments. Decentralized autonomous organizations operate through smart contracts, allowing members to vote on decisions. They redefine governance by removing centralized control and empowering communities globally. Cryptocurrency is rapidly growing across Africa, offering financial access to millions. It empowers individuals to bypass traditional banking barriers and participate in global digital economies. Crypto promotes financial inclusion by giving unbanked individuals access to digital financial tools. With just a smartphone, users can save, send, and invest securely. Crypto enables fast cross-border transactions without banks. Funds move instantly between countries, reducing delays and fees associated with traditional financial systems. Smart contracts automate agreements by executing tasks when conditions are met. This reduces human error, increases efficiency, and eliminates the need for intermediaries. Tokenization converts real-world assets into digital tokens on blockchain. This allows fractional ownership, improving accessibility and liquidity for investments like real estate and commodities. Blockchain transforms real estate by recording ownership transparently. It reduces fraud, speeds transactions, and enables easier transfer of property rights across global markets. Blockchain-based identity systems give individuals control over personal data. They enhance security, reduce fraud, and simplify verification processes across various digital platforms. Blockchain improves supply chain transparency by tracking products from origin to destination. It ensures authenticity, reduces fraud, and enhances efficiency across industries. Governments worldwide are exploring blockchain for transparency and efficiency. Adoption includes digital currencies, identity systems, and secure record-keeping across public services. Corporations are adopting blockchain to improve transparency, reduce costs, and enhance efficiency. From finance to logistics, businesses are integrating crypto technology into core operations. Bitcoin continues evolving as digital gold. Its scarcity and decentralization position it as a long-term store of value, shaping the future of global financial independence. Ethereum evolves beyond currency into a programmable blockchain. Its upgrades improve scalability and efficiency, making it the backbone of decentralized applications and innovation. Layer 2 solutions enhance blockchain speed and reduce costs by processing transactions of the main chain, making crypto more scalable and efficient for everyday use. Scalability remains a major challenge for blockchain networks. High demand can slow transactions and increase fees, pushing developers to create more efficient solutions. Regulation shapes crypto's future by providing structure and trust. While it can limit freedom, it also protects investors and encourages institutional participation. CBDCs are government-controlled digital currencies, while crypto is decentralized. Both aim to modernize finance but differ significantly in control, privacy, and user freedom. Institutional investors entering crypto markets bring credibility and large capital. Their involvement signals growing acceptance and maturity of the crypto ecosystem globally. Predicting crypto markets involves analyzing trends, technology, and global adoption. While uncertain, informed projections help investors prepare for opportunities and risks ahead. AI and blockchain together can transform industries by combining data intelligence with transparency. This powerful integration redefines automation, finance, and digital trust systems. Web3 represents the next internet evolution, where users control their data and assets. It empowers creators and communities through decentralization and blockchain-based ownership. Privacy coins focus on anonymity, hiding transaction details and user identities. They offer financial confidentiality, but also raise regulatory concerns due to potential misuse. As crypto evolves, new security threats emerge. Hackers constantly develop advanced techniques, making continuous innovation in security essential for protecting digital assets. Rug pulls happen when developers abandon a project after collecting funds. Investors are left with worthless tokens, making research and caution essential in crypto investing. Building wealth in crypto requires patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. Emotional control and consistent strategy often determine success more than short-term market movements. Crypto offers multiple income streams, including staking, trading, and lending. Diversifying income sources helps reduce risk and build more stable long-term earnings. Passive income in crypto allows earnings without constant trading. Strategies like staking and yield farming provide steady returns while minimizing active involvement. Creating a token involves defining supply, utility, and smart contract rules. Proper design ensures sustainability and trust within the crypto ecosystem. Launching a crypto project requires strong vision, technology, and community support. Success depends on solving real problems and building trust among users. A solid crypto investment framework includes research, risk control, diversification, and discipline. Following a structured approach improves decision-making and long-term success. Mastering crypto requires continuous learning, adaptability, and discipline. Those who understand the system today position themselves to thrive in the financial world of tomorrow. You now understand the power, risks, and future of cryptocurrency. The next move is yours. Learn continuously, act wisely, and position yourself ahead in this evolving financial revolution.